Have a space begging for your unique style? Adding a modern focal point that's easy to install is your solution. Meet the Fireplace Allusion Platinum with the Boyd Build-Out Kit. You can add this optional kit for a built-in look in a few short hours without the need for construction. Gas lines and venting are also not needed. Let's walk through the basic steps to assembling the Boyd Build-Out Kit and installing the Allusion Platinum. We recommend you have a qualified pro move any electrical outlets if needed. Here are the tools you'll need. First, choose a location, preferably out of direct sunlight to avoid glare. Make sure the walls and floor in the area are clean, plumb, and level. If not, please remedy any major deviation before proceeding. Because the Boyd Build-Out Kit is non-structural, meaning it doesn't penetrate the wall, you can easily assemble and install it yourself. First, ensure all cams and pins are properly installed. Following the included instructions, let's start with assembling the Boyd kit. First, attach the sides to the face of the kit. Next, assemble the inner framing, top shelf, and toe kick. It's now time to position the Boyd Build-Out Kit for attachment to the wall. Use a stud finder to locate and mark the 3 studs for placement of the wall cleats. The location of the wall cleats determine the final height and location of the Build-Out Kit. If you're installing over an existing baseboard with the use of the toe kick, refer to the installation manual to confirm the proper height of the wall cleats. Locate and mark the location of the wall studs. Place the lower wall cleat against the wall and make sure it's level. Pre-drill holes into the cleats. Next, create pilot holes for each cleat. Finally, attach each cleat to the wall. Transfer the stud spacing marks to each cleat and pre-drill a 5/32 inch hole at 3 stud locations in the lower, thicker section of each of the cleats. Position the toe kick into place. The toe kick will then interconnect with the main kit assembly without fasteners when it's positioned onto the wall. Place the main kit assembly of the Build-Out Kit against the wall, centering it around the installed wall cleats. Slide the kit assembly down until the ledgers fully seat into the wall cleats. Take extra care not to scuff any wall paint as you slide the cabinet into the wall cleats. It helps to place painter's tape on the wall in the exposed locations that the cabinet will make contact, behind the edges of the sides and area above the top wall cleat. Now, it's time to install the Allusion Platinum electric fireplace. Follow the appliance installation instructions included with the fireplace to mount it into the cavity of the Build-Out Kit. Don't forget to connect power to the unit before you secure it. Once it's positioned, secure via the appliance mounting locations with the 4 construction screws included with the fireplace. Finally, place the shelf on top of the cabinet assembly. Congratulations! You've now installed the Allusion Platinum fireplace with the Boyd Build-Out Kit. You've added a dazzling focal point you can enjoy throughout the day, all year long. Adjust flame effects, heat, thermostat, timer, brightness, firebed lights, and accent lighting with the intuitive remote. You're ready to enjoy your new fireplace, one you can enjoy year-round with or without heat. Easy to install, easy to use. The Fireplace Boyd Build-Out Kit with the Allusion Platinum is fire made simple.